Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain new lesson. Talk about the circle. This is the lesson number 4, geometry. Okay. Today we'll explain how to find the parameter of circle and area also. First, we must know the circle is a set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a fixed point called center of the circle. Like the point here, M. M here is the center of the circle. And we need to join line segment from M to any point in the circle. We called it what? The radius. Radius is the line segment joined between center of the circle and any point lies of the circle. Lies point here R or M, any point, or C, any point. Like MC, we call this the radius, okay? Then the center of the circle, M here is the center of the circle, okay? We called it in center of circle. What is the meaning of center of circle? It is the fixed point inside the circle, usually denoted by M. All the time speaking about the center of circle, we call it M, like this. What is about the radius? Radius is the line segment join the center of the circle and any point on the circumference. Okay, like this, MA or MB, we called it the radius. Radius, a line segment that joins the center of the circle to any points to the circumference. Note all radius or all radii are equal lengths. All radii of circles are equal lengths. Okay, and what about the diameter? Like this, diameter is a long chord in the circle. Line segment that passes through the center of the circle joins two points on circumference. It is longest chord is the circle. You know the chord? The chord is the line segment drawing from any two points in circumference. If we put here point M or C and point D, CD, we call this the chord. When the chord passes through the center of the circle, we call it diameter. Then diameter is the longest chord in the circle. And diameter equal twice of radius. Radius R here refers to the radius, okay? The length of diameter twice the length of radius. What about the circumference of circle? Circumference equal by time diameter or by time 2 by r. We can find this rule to find circumference of circle. Circumference of circle equal 2 by r, okay? And also by equal 22 over 7, by equal 3.14. Needs to, okay? We can approximating the value of b by the decimal number or fraction when you solve. And what about the area? The area of a circle equal pi r power 2. The amount of surface enclosed by circle. And also I explain chord from 1 minute. You remember like this? We have here a chord. A chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference. Okay, we call it a chord. Here, a chord is a line segment that joins between any 2 points in the circle. Okay, what's the difference between chord and diameter? Diameter is the longest chord because passing through the center of the circle, but chord doesn't pass through the center of the circle. If it passes through the center, it becomes diameter. If it doesn't pass through the center of the circle, we call this the chord. So we have the difference between chord and diameter. Therefore, every diameter is a chord, but not every chord is diameter, okay? Every diameter is a chord. You know this, Robert, about this. Every diameter, we call the chord the longest chord, but not any chord we call the diameter, because chord maybe doesn't pass through the center of the circle, okay? Next. Okay, my students, now I will explain these questions. You must study hard with me, okay? Solution. This question with solution with us, okay? First question here, listen to me. The radius of circle is 7 centimeter. Find circumference. Look at with me. I will explain. Okay? Look at the mouth here. He wants to find circumference. Circumference of circle equal to by r. 2 product by the length of radius product by pi. Pi here equal 22 over 7. Okay, he gives me this information here. Look at here, pi equal 22 over 7. Then you can simplify 7 divided by 7, 1. 1 times 22 equal 22. 22 times 2 equal 44. Then circumference equal 44 centimeter. Next question here, listen to me. He gave me this information. The diameter of a circle is 14. He gave me the diameter 14 centimeter. I want to find circumference of the circle. circumference by using pi. Okay, don't put pi equal 22/7 or 3.14. No, he tells you the example, find its circumference in terms of pi. Okay, like this. You saw the answer in this question. Don't use 22/7. The circumference of circle equal pi times diameter, pi times 14. The result will be 14 centimeter. Okay. If he asked you by using pi in the answer, don't put the value of pi. Next question here. Listen to me. The circumference of circle, he gave me this example, circumference equal to 88 centimeter. Find the radius. Okay, we can solve the example by raise the rule. Circumference equal to product by product by r. 2 by r circumference of circle. You know this rule, okay? And then put the value of circumference. He give you the example, the circumference was 88. Then we can write 88 equal 2 times the value of pi equal to 22/7 times the radius. Next step, you can find the radius by divided 88 by 44/7. 44/7 is coefficient of the radius. We want to find the radius by divided 88 by 44 divided by 7. And then convert from division to multiplication and write reciprocal about second fraction. Okay, like this. I will explain the steps here, okay? Look at here. Now we have here radius will be equal 88 divided by 44/7. And then write 88 divided by reciprocal of this fraction 7/44. And then simplest 44 divided by 44 equal 1 and 88 divided by 44 equal 2. Next step 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay, you can use this method or this method as you like to find the answer in the simplest form. Okay, understood? Now I will explain next question down here. Listen to me. Number 4 and also number 5. Okay, number 4 first. He tell me the radius of circle is 5 centimeter. Find the area. It's a direct question because he give you radius and won't find the area. We know area of circle equal pi r power 2. Pi equal 22/7 or 3.14 as you like. Okay. But in this example, he won't find the area in a term of pi. Okay, so the result, don't use pi equal 22/7, right? Pi exactly here. Pi times r power 2 with the radius here was 5. 5 power 2 is 25. Then the result will be 25 r 25 product by pi. Because r equal 5 centimeters, then 5 times 5 is 25. Then the result will be 25 product by pi. Okay, next question here. Number 5, the area of circle is, now give me the area of circle was 49 by square centimeter. Find the radius. Okay, we can write this rule, A equal by r power 2. A here is the area. You know, area equal 49 by, put right here 49 by, and then cancel by divided by left hand side, right hand side, then the radius power 2 equal 49. Next step, you can find the square root of 49 is 7. Then the radius will be 7 centimeter, okay? Okay, listen to me, my students. This question here, he give me the area, I won't find the radius. Look at here. He give me the area, 154 square centimeter, and then find the radius. We can find the radius by either method. But the rule, area equal by r power 2, as the value of the area was 154 square centimeter, then put the value of pi equal 22/7. He give you in the examples the value of pi. Put pi here equal 22/7. Okay, put the value and then simplest. You can write here by other solution. I will explain it by another steps like this. You can use these steps or another solution like this. You can divide by coefficient like this. R power 2 equivalent to 154 divided by coefficient by r power 2 divided by 22/7, and then write 154 product by reciprocal about this fraction. Convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal about this number. The reciprocal about this number equals 77/22. 154 divided by 22 is 7. Then 7 times 7 is 49. Now we can find the radius. Square root of 49 is 7 centimeter. Or you can using this method to find the answer. Okay. Next question down here. Okay, listen, question number 7. First, the circumference of circle is 44 centimeter. Now he give you the circumference of the circle. Circumference was 44 centimeter. Find the area. Okay, to find the area from circumference circle, first step you must find the radius. Okay, you must find the radius. Okay, how find the radius? You know circumference equal to product by r. 2 product by r. Okay, then we can raise the value of circumference to give you 44 centimeter. 44 equal 2 times by equal 22 over 7 product by radius. Next step, you can find the radius here by divided coefficient of r. Okay, 2 times 22 over 7 equal 44 over 7. Then the radius here, you can write radius equal 44 divided by coefficient of r. 44 divided by 44 over 7. And then write 44 product by reciprocal about this fraction equals 7 over 44. 44 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. Then the radius will be 7 centimeter. Now we can find the area. The area we know equal by r power 2 by equal 22 over 7 product by radius power 2. Radius here 7 centimeter. Then 7 power 2 divided by 7 equals 7. 7 times 22 equal 154 square centimeter is the area. Okay, so more the question to find the area. If he give you the example, the circumference, first step you must find the radius. Okay, my students, next question. Look at the question down here. Number 8. Okay, I will solve number 8 and 9 10 inshallah. Okay, first question here, number 8. He gives me the diameter of the circle 10 centimeter. Then we can find the area. We know area equal by r power 2. You can find the radius half of diameter. Okay, you know the diameter of circle, it's a line segment joining between any two points, its circumference of circle and pass through the center of the circle. Then the length of radius half of diameter, half of 10, it will be 5. And then write the area equal by r power 2, by equal 3.14 times 25, or 3 times 3 and 14 hundredths times 24 equal 78 and a half square centimeter. Okay. Next step, next question here, I will explain how to find circumference by using term in by. It's a direct question. Also, they give you in the example, the radius was 8 centimeter, and he won't find circumference of the circle. We know the circumference equal to product by product by r. 2 product by I put here because he won't find in terms of by. Put by here. Product by the length of the radius. Length of radius equal 8. And the radius will be what? 2 times 8 equals 16. And the answer will be 16 by square, not square centimeter all, okay? A circle with diameter 18 centimeter. Find its area in terms of pi. We know the area equal by r power 2. It's a direct question. By here, by product by. Look at diameter was 18. Then the radius will be half of 18 equal 9 centimeter. Okay, we have circle here. This is diameter. Diameter, see, the longest chord in the circle. In the radius, like this part, radius will be 9 centimeters. Then 9 power 2 equal 81. And the answer will be 81 by square centimeter. Okay, the area will be 81 square centimeter. Understood? To find the answer. Okay, next question. Now, my students, I will solve question number 11 here. The circumference of circle is 176 centimeter. Find the radius. Okay, we can start about the rules. Circumference equal to pi r. He gave me circumference was 176 equal to product by the value of pi. He gave me pi equal 22 over 7. Product by the radius. We can find the radius here equal 176 divided by coefficient of r. We have 176 equal 44 over 7 product by radius. Then we can find the radius here by divided the coefficient here, right? Left hand side, right hand side divided by coefficient of r. Then r equal 176 divided by 44 over 7. And then write 176 multiplication reciprocal by this fraction will be 7 over 44. 44 divided by 1 equal 1. 44 divided by 4 equal 44 divided itself equal 1, and 176 divided 44 equal 4. Then 4 times 7 equal 28. 4 times 7, 28. Then the radius will be 28 centimeter. Okay. Next question down here. The area of circle is 81 by square centimeter. Find the diameter. We know the area equal by r power 2. Then raise the value of area equal 81 by equivalent to by raise the value of radius. Here we can find the value of radius in this example by divided by left hand side divided by because by here is a number not equivalent to 0. Then we can find r power 2 will be equal 81. So r equals square root of 81. It will be 9 centimeters. Then the radius here will be 9 centimeter. Okay. Next question. The circumference of a circle is 31 and 4 tenths centimeter and pi equals 3.14. Find the radius. Then first find the radius and second find the area. Okay. We can using here the rule here circumference equal to by r. Okay. This means the value here about circumference equal 31. Give me 31 and 4 tenths equal to product by the value of pi. We know pi equals 3.14. Product by the radius. Next step, we can find the radius by divided by coefficient of r. Then r equal 31.4. This number here divided by coefficient. Coefficient is 2 product by 3.14. You can use in calculator to find the answer, or you can simplify by product by 100 up and down to cancel the point because the point down after 2 places. Then we have up here the result will be okay. The answer will be what moves the point. It will be 3, 1, 4, and 0, and here 2 product by 3, 1, and 4. 314 divided to number it will be 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, my students, understood it. You can use calculator, never mind. You can use calculator to find the answer right in your calculator. 31 and 4 tenths divided by 2 times 3.1 and 4. And then calculator give you the answer will be 5 centimeters. Then we can find the area now. The area will be equal by r power 2. By r power 2. By was 3.114 product by r power 2. The radius will be 5. Then 5 power 2 is 25. Then the answer, you can put it in your calculator to find the answers in the area will be square centimeter. You can find the answer by using calculator to find the area. Okay, understood? Okay, look at with me now. We'll explain this question. We have two circles. We want to find the area of this region, the colored region here. We have two circles, small circles and greater circles. The small circle radius was 4 centimeter and greater circle, the radius was 8 centimeter. We can find the difference between two areas by finding area 1 and area 2 and then find the difference between two areas, okay? First step, we know area equal by r power 2. We can find the area about first circle and second circle and find the difference between together, okay? Next question here. First step, I will write the area 1 because the two figures opposite. We have concentric about have the radii 4 and 8. Can you see the other question? Okay, I will write here. Find area 1 and area 2, okay? What about area 1, my students here? Who can tell me? Area 1, look at here, this area 1 and this area 2. You want to find area 1 and area 2 and then find the shaded region. First, to find area 1, the first step, you can raise the rule. Area equal by r power 2. By will be 3.14 or write by here, okay? With that, by radius power 2, area 1, I will write area 1, this area 1, okay? The greatest area, it's area 1, okay? Area 1 by product 8 power 2. 8 power 2 is 64. Then we have 64 by square centimeter. And area 2, we can write also using the rule here by I power 2 by product by radius here was 4 centimeter. 4 power 2 is 16. And the answer will be 16 by. In the area of shaded part, we look at area of shaded part, we can raise the difference between two areas. 64 by subtract by 16 by. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 5 minus 1 equal 4. The result will be 48 by square centimeter. Okay, understood. Okay, my students, now complete question about complete. Look at with me first question is definition. Do you know the definition this about first question? A circle is a set of points that are the same distance from a fixed point called the center. Okay, circle is a set of points that are the same distance like this, same distance from the point. We called it the center of the circle. The distance between two center of the circle and any point on circumference circle like this, we called it what? We called it the radius. We called it radius. Next question down here. Listen to me. Okay, I solved this question and this question. Now, question number 3, the diameter equal twice the radius. The diameter equal twice the radius. Radius times 2 equal diameter. Number 4, the longest chord in circle, we called it diameter. We called it diameter. The circumference of a circle equal 2 pi r, or we can equal by product by d. The area of circle equal by r power 2. The unit of measurement of circumference of circle, we called it what? We can find the length unit of circumference of circle. We can use here the length unit. The length unit, okay? But here the area square unit. We can find the unit measurement of circumference is length unit. And the unit of measurement of the area, square unit. You know this? What about length unit like centimeter, decimeter, millimeter, and the area square meter? They like square centimeter, square meter, square decimeter, or anything, okay? Next question. Number 9. If the radius of the circle doubled, its circumference equal, we called it by product by d. The circumference of circle, it will be by product by d. Okay, because the radius here is doubled. If we doubled the radius, the circumference will be by product by d. The radius, the circumference doubled its area. He asked about the area. Look at with me. If the radius is doubled, what's the area? The area will be by r power 2. Okay. Then the radius will be doubled here like this. We have like this area. Okay, I will explain this example again. He asked about the radius is doubled. We know the circumference of the circle equal to by r. What about the radius doubled? What's the meaning of radius doubled? Radius doubled here, it's meaning radius convert to the twice, like this. Radius number 2 equal to twice radius 1. Look at with me. Radius number 2 is twice radius number 1. We know circumference of circle equal to product by r2. The circumference will be equal to product by r2 equal twice r1. Put here 2 r1. Then 2 times 2, 4. 4 product by r1. It's meaning about this. And also the if the radius was doubled, then the area will be, we know the area equal by r power 2. Then the radius here, number 2, equal by product r2 power 2, r2, 2 times r1. Then the result will be all power 2 here, 4 r1 power 2 product by r. We change the rule because the radius of circle is doubled. Okay. Okay, my students, know the steps. The answer about first circumference will be 4 by r. The answer here will be 4 by r. You know the steps because we double the radius. Then the circumference here will be 4 by r. Write this, okay? Solution. And the area will be equal 4 by r power 2. Okay? This is the answer. But I explain how to find the answer here. Every diameter is a chord, but not every chord is diameter. Okay? The radius of circle is 5, then diameter will be 10 centimeter. Okay. Number 13, the circumference of circle is equal to the perimeter of square. Then the length of the side of square will be equal. Okay, he gives me the circumference of circle is equal the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. You know, circumference equal 2 by r. And perimeter of circle equal what? Equal 4 product by side. Side here about square will be right here L. Okay, he won't find what? He won't find the length. The length will be equal 2 by r divided by 4. 2 by r divided by 4. We can simplify by 2. Then we have by r divided by 2. Then the length will be half by r centimeter or length unit. 2 half by r. Okay, you know this question? Understood? Okay, next question down here. A circle has a radius of 11 centimeter. Find its circumference. We know find circumference circle. So direct question. The circumference of a circle will be equal 2 by r. 2 product by 22 over 7 product by 11. And the result will be centimeter. You can complete this, okay, by using calculator to simplify by decimal number. Next question, a circle has a radius 4.5 centimeter. Find the area. We know the area of circle equal by r power 2. Y equal 22 over 7. Oh, sorry. 22 over 7 product by radius 4.5 power 2. Okay, you can also find the answer by using calculator to find the simplest form by decimal. Okay, my students, now I finished explaining this lesson. You must study hard, okay? It's easy question. You must all the time solve the question. We haven't proof in this exam, but you must think how to find the area and also the perimeter of a circle, okay? Don't worry, I will complete next time, inshallah, all lessons. Goodbye, my students.